Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Vinny and in today's video, I will be showing you this beautiful bridal double cut crease with golden glitter. I totally loved the look, the way it turned out, so stunning and versatile. If you need information on any of the product that I am using today, you will find it right under the video in the description box. And now, not talking much, let's begin. To fill and shape my brows, I am going to use as always my all-time favorite L'Oreal Brow Pomade. I usually prefer pomades because it's waterproof and long lasting. I am going to fill all the sparse areas in my brows. Also, I will be using Brow Mascara by NYX today so that the color stay through all the sweat and tears. Now to clean underneath and around my eyebrows, I am going to take this concealer by Too Faced in the shade Seashell. This step will enhance the eyebrows and make them look more crisp. Then I am going to take same concealer as my eye primer and I am going to paint my eyelids. This will color correct any kind of discoloration on our eyelids and will make the eyeshadow pop. Now I am going to very lightly set this concealer with the Makeup Revolution Banana Powder to make the blending more easier and prevent the concealer from creasing. For my transition colors, I am going to take this reddish brown color from Nykaa eyeshadow palette in the shade Crushed Berries. I am going to pick up this color with a small definer brush and I will start carving out my crease like so. For a great guide, just look straight into the mirror and carve it out your crease very light-handedly. Then I am going to do the same thing on another eye and I will try to make it more similar as possible as I can. Here I am using pencil brush and I am going to take the same color just to soften this and blend it out nicely. Taking this fluffier blending brush, I am going to pick this orange warm color. And I am going to blend this color outward above my crease, which in turn makes my eyes look bigger and elongated. Now to deepen the crease color further, I am going to pick up this maroonish brown color with a small pencil brush and I am going to use it starting right from the outer corner. It will give that ombre of colors that we need for today's transition. Now it's time to cut the crease, and before doing that I like to mark the area where I wanted to cut the crease. Same as we did before, I would look straight into the mirror and mark some points, and later I'm going to join all these points to cut our crease. Before I start working on the lids, I like to clean the eyelids, and for that I'm going to take this micellar water on a Q-tip and I'm going to remove any residue that has fallen on my eyelids. And then for a clean slate, I am going to again paint my lids with concealer. This will make our eyeshadow look more popped and will give us a clean canvas to work on. Doing the same thing on another eye. Here comes the twist. This time I am not going to set the concealer and I am going to apply eyeshadow directly on the tacky concealer. Here I am going to pick up this beautiful golden color with the pencil brush and I am going to apply it on eyelids. If you are already following my other makeup tutorial, you must be knowing that I like to apply eyeshadow on my eyelids with my ring finger for an easier application and greater payoff of color. I will apply this golden color in 3/4 of my eyelid and I am going to leave a small gap in the outer corner. Using the Maybelline Black Gel Liner, I am going to define my outer corner and I am using an angled liner brush for that. Just like you do your wing eyeliner, taking sticky tape as a guide, pull a wing and go parallel to the cut crease, leaving a small gap. I am going to fill in the space with the same and then I am going to set it with black eyeshadow so that it don't smudge. I am also going to blur the edges between the same black eyeshadow and the golden eyeshadow with my fingers. Now for the glitter, I am going to use this Wet n Wild liquid glitter in the middle of my eyelids. And on that I am going to stick glitter sparkles from Faces, which will make the look more stunning. Look how beautiful this bombshell glitter is looking. To line my top lash line, I am going to use this Lakme liquid liner. Here I am curling my eyelashes with the eyelash curler and I am going to apply a generous amount of mascara before applying falsies. For the fake eyelashes, I am going to use this pack eyelashes and I am going to apply it back of the camera. Here it's time to take out the sticky tapes and I am going to clean all the fallout with the wet wipe. Now to do rest of the makeup on my face, first I am going to prime my face and I am using Smashbox primer. I am going to take 2 pumps of it and apply it on my nose and cheeks where I have enlarged pores. This will not only shrink my pores but also will make the makeup long lasting. Here I am using few drops of liquid elixir by Becca. This will give that beautiful glow that we need on our brides. For my foundation routine, I am going to use these 2 foundations, one by Nykaa and the other one from Becca. I am mixing both of the foundations on my palm and making my own foundation. To blend my foundation, I am using Sigma Beauty Blender and it is enough damp to spread the foundation evenly on my face. Here I am using Too Faced concealer and I am going to apply it on all my high points. That means I am going to apply it under my eyes, in the middle of my forehead, on the bridge of my nose, on my cupid's bow and on my chin. Again I am going to blend it with damp beauty blender and look at this, how beautifully it melted in my skin tone. Always blend the concealer under your eyes at the end so that you get better coverage on your dark circles. I quickly set the concealer under my eyes back of the camera and now I am going to do the contouring of my face. And for that I am going to use my favorite drugstore Smashbox foundation stick. It is so easy to work on with this foundation stick. It melts like butter on the skin. I will contour usual parts of my face like my forehead, my cheekbones, my jawline and little bit contouring on my nose. If you know me, I love to blend the contour with this Hoola brush. This brush is very handy and easy peasy to work on. Then I am going to use my favorite drugstore Milani blush and I am going to apply a blush on the apple of my cheeks. Blend the blush with the contour in the circular motion for a seamless look. Then to complete my eye makeup, I am going to pick up the same transitions color that we used above and I am going to apply it under my waterline. Then instead of using that usual black kohl or kajal pencil, I am going to use this navy blue eye pencil from Color Bar which is matching to my blouse. I will apply it in my waterline as well as set it with the navy blue eyeshadow so that it don't smudge. Last but not the least, I am going to do highlighting and firstly I am going to highlight under the arch of my brows, inner corner of my eyes. And the highlighter I am using is the drugstore highlighter by Becca in the shade Champagne Pop. With the same highlighter I am going to do the usual highlighting on the high points of my face. I will do the highlighting above my cheekbones, on my chin, on my forehead, in the middle of my eyebrows, on the bridge of my nose and also on cupid's bow and lips. Then I am going to line my lips and fill in with the same with this Huda lip liner in the shade Heartbreaker. Because of winters our lips get dry again and again, so I have applied lip balm by Maybelline and now I am going to apply this lipstick by MAC in the shade Ruby Woo. Our makeup is done, you can leave it here also, but I wanted to apply glitter under my eyes which I totally love. So I'm using a lip liner brush and I'm going to apply the glitter in the inner corner of my eyes under my waterline till the midway of my eyes. And lastly, I'm going to apply the coat of mascara on my lower lash line also. And voila, we are done.
उल्टी कर दूंगा आज। अगर तुमने नीचे गिराना तो बता रहा हूँ, पूरे घर में पोछा लगाऊंगा तुमसे, ठीक है? हाँ तो मैं कहाँ पे था? इससे अच्छा हर्षद मेहता का सीखो, शेयर मार्केट में ध्यान रखो, पड़े पैसे अच्छी चीज़ है वो। सब्सक्रिप्शन लेता हूँ सोनी लिव का।
I really hope you liked this video, and if you do then please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and share it with your family and friends. Meet you in my next one. Till then, bye bye.